Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Rakin, and in this video I'm going to show you an awesome trick. And by using this trick you can know about the condition of your website, and this video will obviously help you even if you're a business owner or if you're a freelancer who work with like websites related things. So obviously it will help you. So first thing first, let me just go into the screen, and you can see here the screen, and just go any browser you want, and just after coming on the browser, just click on the search button, just search here SEObility SEO checker. Okay, so in here you can see what I typed, SEObility SEO checker, then click enter, and after that you can see here this one, SEObility checker, test your website for free with SEObility. Then click here. Okay, I accept all cookies. Then just come here, and then you can see the URL here. So after saying the URL, just click here the URL, and you now understand that you have to put the URL of your website, or like which website you want to see, like, and then just come here, like let me just for example, like I want to see this website, how it's going on, and what's the like SEO score of this website, yeah, and what I have to improve, everything I can know for free. So I just come on the website. Okay, so this is the website, this is the page I want to see. So I have to click here, then I will click copy. So I am copying the URL, then I have to come here again, then I have to click here, then I will paste the URL here, then I will see the analyze website. Okay, so it will take some time, and boom, look, so here's the everything about how the website is going on, and what's the, and in the right side you can see here the SEO score of the website is 71%. So obviously it will be different for every website, and you can know this, like even if you work with SEOs, after working you can see this, like you work after the working of the SEO, like how right now the score of the website is right now. Or even if you're the businessman, you hired somebody for your SEO works, after they worked for you, and after their work you can look on your website how it's going on, and you can use this tool for free just for checking to them, and yeah, are they really done a good job or not. And obviously obviously you can do this by yourself. And also you can see how they're like additional things. Also the meta information is 95%, the page quality they used in here, how it's much it like 39%, page structure, how they build a page, the main page, so it's like 79%, link structure, the link they used in here, the structure is like 40%, the server they using here is 46%. This is the hell, these are the conditions of the websites here. And also they are saying the external vectors is 92%, and even also in here how much it times to take to response, how much times it takes to open the new website page when you click in on another page of them. So it takes 0.4 second, like this, like file size they're saying, and also TTVers, it's in the fronts, and like media files. Also the number of links on this page is 44, like blah blah blah. There are many things, and here's the key thing, here's the game changing thing. Like by using free things, obviously you are getting those things. It's really great, yeah. So in here the game changing thing is here, they are all like they're also giving you what types of things is really important for you to improve. Look, add a H1 heading to this page. They're saying it's really important because they are maybe they don't edit any type of H1 headed file in here. And also they're saying fix errors regarding the language markup of your web page, which is really important. They're saying obviously the things they will say here, the tasks have to be done, it will be different for every website, yeah. And also they're saying try to reduce the number of used JavaScript, maybe they used our JavaScript files in the website, like this. And also they are saying some additional which are not much important, but they're saying okay, this is important. Also the page title should be better suited to the content page, use good alternative descriptions, alter attributes for your images, like this, blah blah blah. So by using this tool you can easily know about any website. So this is obviously good for if you are a businessman, like if you're the business owner of you and you run the websites of yours, and even you are a freelancer and you work with websites like this. And the next thing I want to show you that how we're gonna know you any businesses websites, or like any websites, obviously any website traffic, like how it's going on and how many traffic is coming, and the traffic they are coming in the website, like where they're from, most of the people are where they're from, the percentage, the even you can see the monthly analyzing. So for this we are using here, you can choose any types of tool because there are like various tools. I don't want to mention a single one, so just come here and just put randomly just this free website traffic checker. Look, this one, free website traffic checker. And after this just come down, and in here, like, see, I will use this one. You can choose any of them one. Yeah, check this, which one is suited for you. I'm using this one. I think this one is best. So that's, I'm just going here, website traffic checker, and after that I will just come here and then I will click on the domain. Then again it's like the same. For example, if I wanna see this website, how much traffic they're gaining and how it's going on, so I will just click here, and then obviously as like the first one, I will copy the website and come here, and then I will just paste the URL. Then I'll check the traffic, how it's going on, like how much its traffic is. So it will take some time and it will give you the results. Obviously it is also free, so you can also use this. Boom. So look, here's a really great thing. Look, how the website is really going. Look, they're saying in June it's only 1 visit, in July 1 visit, in August 0 visit, in September 3 visits, in October 8 visits, in November 5 visits. So right now it's November for the reason they're saying at the last is November. And also they're saying the organic traffic is 3, like this, and the traffic volume $0, and top countries, how many, like the regions, the countries people they come on those website, most of them are Indians, then United States people, then Philippines people, then 0. So obviously the whole results will be different for every website. Maybe this website is simple and small for the reason they're showing less data, but if your website is big, if your traffic is big, and obviously it will show more data. So look, and also they're saying top pages are Indians, like this, and they're saying traffic to 100%, blah blah. And also you can gain more information, more additional information if you use the both tools that I used, if you use those paid versions. So yeah, that's it. I believe these tools will obviously help you, and yeah, peace.